Vibe coding is just really fun. I've been using V0 because I find that it creates really good like user experiences in terms of how it looks and stuff compared to the other tools. So I've been liking V0 a lot. And yeah, I'm going to take you through a prototype that I've made around this brand ideation studio, and I'm still building on it. This uses Google Gemini 2.5 mainly for prompts, and then it also uses Luma Ray 2, see Luma Photon actually for image generation. But you can see I didn't code any of this. I don't know how to code. I need to probably learn. But you can see here, it's all from an original prompt. And we just went through many iterations. You see version 2 here, version 3, version 4, and then we eventually all the way up now to version like 18. And what I like about V0 is that you can go back to all the previous versions, which I like because in many of these tools, sometimes you ask it to update something and it like completely eradicates all the previous work and there's no way to go back. So V0 is great, so it kind of just keeps like generating new ones so you can always go back and reprompt. So this is like the brand ideation studio, and it's pretty straightforward right now. I'm still trying to build this so it's like way more personalized. But basically, you can type in a business or a product idea. So let's say I run a business where we sell like sustainable water bottles that are reusable. Would love something in a green and blue tone. So we're going to generate the brand concept here. It's coming up with different ideas, and there's different stages of this as well. So the first is that Gemini will come back to me with a color palette, which is cool. I asked it for the green and the blues, and we got it. It gives a bit of a funny name for it because I wanted it to name your unique color palette. So this is Aqua Terra Harmony, which is cool. The next stage after this, keeping this in mind, we're going to continue to create some brand names, also from Google Gemini 2.5, and it comes out with Aqua Sustain, Hydrate Wise, Flow Blue. Still, I need to improve the prompts here, but it's conceptually it's cool. Flow Blue, Drink Better, Live Greener. I kind of like that one. So we're going to generate assets now. This is when it goes to Luma Photon, and the prompts are written by Gemini 2.5, and then it's sent to through API to Photon to generate some assets. This is the bit here I'm still struggling with because I wanted to create marketing assets and give you an idea of like ideation, like help you ideate what this looks like from an image perspective of this brand, using the color palette, using the description. I'm still trying to work that out with V0, how to best create that. So first thing it tries to do is create a bit of a logo. This is pretty cool. You can see it kind of maintains the color palette, which is cool. Get a bit of a wider banner here. It says banner, but it's meant to just be marketing style content. This looks really cool. I like this one here. This here with a large water bottle is hilarious, but you can see it's trying to do it. And then another option here over like a square banner. I'm trying to change this up because the idea was this was to kind of make social media assets. I want it to be more generic, like ideation board content here. It gives a bit of a breakdown of like the keywords it's looking for, like the mood, the marketing concepts here, and then some of the visual elements that it's trying to reach, all from Google Gemini 2.5. And the idea here is to kind of eventually grow this to create a very simplistic, if you want to start a new project and you don't really know where to start, type in your idea, throw down your whatever concepts are in your mind, and this tool will generate a very baseline start for you. And yeah, this is what I've been building at the moment, and I don't know if this will ever be a public launch thing. I've got no idea, but it's been really fun to create. And yeah, I made this all with zero coding thanks to V0. So yeah, vibe coding is great.